Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn about functions and scripts. So far, we've been writing scripts, sequences of commands saved in .m files. But functions take things to the next level by allowing us to reuse code with different inputs. A script is a file with commands. It shares variables with the base workspace. A function is a file that has its own workspace, takes inputs, and returns outputs. In MATLAB, every function must be in its own .m file with the same name. For example, add te2dum. The function looks like this. Function result etc add t2xy result xy end. Now in MATLAB, type zit add234. The output will be c7. A function can return multiple values. For example, function sum diff ec_diff ab sum and apes_b diff ea and b end. You can call it with sd sum diff 104. MATLAB comes with thousands of built-in functions. Examples include max, min, mean, length, size, rand, and plot. For short functions, you can define them in line. For instance, square equals add 6x2, square 5 gives you 25. Now, let's write a function to compute the factorial of a number. Function f equals my factorial and fu1 for I equals 1 and fi and end. In summary, we learned that scripts run commands. Functions allow inputs and outputs. Multiple outputs are possible, and anonymous functions give shortcuts. Next, we'll explore plotting and visualization. Great job. Let's move on.